We're rocking the last week of summer, unofficially, until Labor Day weekend. Okay, you know what? It may be at its end, summertime, but it doesn't matter. You can still enjoy your vacation all year long. The photos, that is. North Park Craft Mafia member Sevilla is here with a fun and easy way for us to preserve our memories. You guys are so creative, and I'm glad that you're here this morning.
Yeah, it's fun to be here. I like coming here and showing neat projects to do for all the different things that you have at home to work with.
Well, first of all, for viewers that are out there that may not know what Craft Mafia is, give us a brief rundown of how you guys came together.
Yeah, the Craft Mafia actually was started in Austin, Texas, but we're a chapter of the Craft Mafia, and we promote local artisans that make different crafts. We provide them with a place to sell their products. So we have neat craft shows, and we have craft nights where people can come and craft with us. And all of the members of the group are all independent business owners of craft businesses.
What I like is that you teach the not so crafty, me, to help be crafty, and it's pretty easy.
Yeah.
So let's get started today. Tell us about this amazing photo book that it's a little different.
Yeah, it's actually a really interesting idea, and I'm surprised that a lot of people aren't doing it already. What I was thinking is that DVD cases, we get so many of them. We get them from software programs, we get them from movies, we get them from CDs. We get all kinds of items in our house that sit around and can be used for other things.
Right.
And so I was thinking, wow, this makes kind of a neat little book. So I was thinking, what about making a book out of all these cases and make our own library of memories.
I love it. Now that's exactly what you did. So I just want to show you made this, and tell us about the materials, and then we're going to go ahead and we'll make one too.
Okay, so what I did was I used a DVD case, just a plain DVD case. I didn't do anything to it. I got a cover. I made a cover with my computer, so you may need a little bit of computer skills. And what I did was I used a cover stock from the craft store, and I used a duct tape to tape it together and taped in some pictures, and we can put in anything. You can put in ticket stubs, you can put in all kinds of neat little things.
Well, today what we're going to do is we're going to put pictures in of Joe Bauer, and you know what? That dude's had a rockin' summer, rockin' summer.
He's been very busy.
Oh yeah, he's been jet skiing, he's been surfing, and dosh gone it, he's a BMXer if I've ever seen him.
I know.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get started on this project. You got the paper. Tell us about the special paper and where we can get it.
Yeah, so what this is this is actually a pearl paper from Michael's, Joann's, I think there's Beverly's, or any scrapbooking store. It's a thick cover stock. I think it's about 110 weight.
Okay, and then you have the duct tape, and really bright, colorful things are going to, I think, work really well with the contrast.
Yeah, absolutely, and they have all kinds of colors. They have pink, they have purple, they have black, they have all the colors of the rainbow. And what's neat about it is you can actually use it to attach things, and it adheres pretty well over time.
Great. Well, I'm going to get the pictures put on because we only have a couple of minutes, and then maybe you can help me decorate
this. Absolutely.
So tell me just a little bit more.
So what I did was I cut 6 pages. I taped them together with you need to make sure you keep in the seams.
Oh, and see? She's such a good teacher. Okay.
So what happens is that, you can make this book, make it in accordion style like this book. This is all one sheet of paper.
Folded up and then
folded up, and then I taped it into the case.
I love it.
So
okay, well, we want to give this to Joe by the end of the segment.
This is the cover for Joe's little book here.
I love it.
And
did you ever think that Joe was such a sports kind of guy?
I didn't think he was such a BMX person.
you know what? I wouldn't have guessed it either, but that man is full of surprises.
Yeah, he had a very busy summer.
Okay, so we'll write him a little note. What should we write him here?
Joe, you're the best.
You're the best, Joe. Awesome. Okay, so now you're going to put that on the cover here, right? You're going to kind of loop that in here, slip it in, and then we'll get this part all ready to go. Gosh, this was so easy, Sevilla. I love how we could do it in, less than 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Hey, don't look yet. It's a surprise. Yeah,
I was sneaking in. I heard my name mentioned.
Okay.
Grab the tape right there.
So we got the tape here, and there we go. We're going to get this all set, and we're going to give it to him. And so this is just one of the cool things that the Craft Mafia can teach you to do. And they have an awesome event coming up, Sunday, Crafty Sunday. It is going on September 7th from noon to 5, and it's going to be at the Filter Coffee House in North Park. So much fun. And do you like your treat, Joe? Do
Hey,
you like
this
your
is,
summer memory
you know,
book?
what a neat idea.
Isn't it awesome?
It really is, to give to somebody at the end. I mean, this is Joe's summer memories.
Yeah.
I'll treasure this till the end of summer.
Well, you should
at
show
least.
everyone the BMX picture.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm upside down.
I know. You're
Oh,
surfing
yes.
upside down.
Oh,
It's
yeah, I
a
should do it
skill
like this,
anything
yeah.
else. Thank
Oh,
you
yeah.
so much, Svea. Come back anytime.
Really fun.
Yeah,
Thank you.
good to have you here. Okay, well, still ahead, Joe jumping in with both feet, as we can see, for America's Warriors. And Ruben making friends with Mother Nature in Chula Vista. Good morning, buddy.
Right. Good morning. We're here live at the Chula Vista Nature Center. Yes, we're getting ready for the big day this Saturday. I'll tell you all about it. We're going to learn how to plant, and we're going to learn more about animals. All this and more when San Diego Living returns. Come on back now. Come on back.